Guys, welcome to this new video on my channel. So in the last video I had shown you how to download Ollama and how to run open source large language models on your local machine. In this video I will be showing you how you can use Ollama again and you can integrate this entire service with the help of Python as well. So first of all, let me just open the Ollama window. So I'll just open the Ollama window and you can see here that this is how it looks like. Let me just clear it. Yep. Ollama. Okay. So first of all, we'll check any of the model which is running. So for that the command is ps. So we just write Ollama ps and you see no model is running. So first of all, we'll run the llama model that we had. So we had Ollama run llama 3.1 which we installed in the last video. So we'll just run this model, and if you want to stop running the model, you can just write Ollama stop model. Now you see the model is running, right? So you just write hi and you see the response. Okay, the model is model on your Python script. So for that I have already created the code. I'll show you the code. So first of all, you need to create a virtual environment. Then you can just activate the virtual environment and then you can install the dependencies, that is Python 3 pip install langchain, and also these are the other requirements which will be required. So I'll be giving you this in the link below. So let's look into this Python code through which you can use Ollama, which is running locally. So only your Ollama should be running, and that's the only thing that you should check. So for that you have to run this command Ollama serve and your Ollama llama 3.1 will be running. So then you can just come on the ZSH and just create a virtual environment and just do some installations like request and langchain and all. And after that, so let me explain you the code. This is the main function. So in the main function there is some prints, okay, welcome to llama. Then there is the messages that we will be typing in. That messages will be appended with the role and all, everything, clear screen, and then it will be passed to the chat with llama function. And if you see this chat with llama function, here the messages are passed. Then there is the URL on which the API/chat of the locally running Ollama will be running. In that we'll be passing the messages, and here is the prompt that the model is 3.1. This is the message, and sending the request to Ollama, and the request will be posted on the URL, and then we'll be receiving a response from it. Once the response will be received, it will be better formatted with the help of this code, and then the full response will be returned. So this is what is there inside the chatbot code. Now what we can do is that I'll show you the output. So we just have to do python 3 main.py, which is the name of my file. I just did that, and okay, now the chatbot is started. Let me just start by typing hi. So it shows cool. So it's replying like a normal LLM model, like ChatGPT or even Claude. Teach me Python data structures. Hope that this video was helpful to you.